You want to be able to control what information is shared when someone shares one of your pages on Thinkific on a social platform. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, depending what kind of page it is that people are sharing is going to depend where the information is coming from. So if it's a course, a bundle, or a community, I'm going to show you where that information is going to come from. So if you go into your course, your bundle, or your community, and you go to SEO, the title and the description are the pieces that are going to be picked up for that social share, along with the course card image. So this course card description is not what is shared. This course card image, as well as under SEO, the SEO title and the SEO description, those are what are shared. So here's an example. If someone shared this course or course sales page with others on Facebook, Twitter, etc., this is what would show. So it's my course card image, as you can see right here, along with my SEO title and description, which you can see here. Here's the SEO title and the SEO description. If it's the home page or a custom page on your Thinkific URL, that's information comes from a different place. So if it's the home page, you want to go into the home page on your site pages, click on the cog, and this is where you're going to put in the page title, the snippet, basically the little description, and the custom thumbnail image. If it's a custom page, so you create a custom page in site pages, then you come here and build it. So if it's an about page, a thank you page, any other kind of custom page, this is where you're going to alter that information. So you're going to find the page, you're going to click on the cog, then you have to decide who can see that page. So if it's everyone, logged in students, students that are enrolled in a certain course, or only you. And underneath that, you're going to see an advanced link with an arrow. You just click on that to open it up. And that's where you put in your page title, your page URL. So this is the path or the slug that comes at the end of your Thinkific URL, and then your page description here. So I'm just going to do a test one. And then down here, you'd put your thumbnail image. So I just grabbed any old random image and put it in here. And then I'm going to click on save. So theoretically, that information is now available, but there is a last step. Whether you are changing information or putting that information in for the first time for a course, bundle, community, homepage, or custom page, the last step is making sure that that information is pulled correctly. So in the case of a custom page, you would click here and copy the URL. And for any of your other pages, you can just go into site pages and click on this link here to copy the page link, or you can go into site pages in your dashboard and copy the link from here. So copy the link that you want to make sure that that information is being scraped properly from. Then you're going to go over to Google and type in Facebook debugger, and it should be the first one here that comes up. Now you do have to be logged into Facebook, your Facebook account, in order to use this. Then you're going to pop the URL in there and click on debug. Now in this case, it tells me that this URL hasn't been shared on Facebook before, so I want to fetch new information. And now if I scroll down, this should show the information that I just input for that about page. Now if this page had been shared previously on Facebook and I had altered that information in my Thinkific site and I wanted to make sure that the correct information was being pulled here, I would go through the same thing. I would put in my URL, click on debug, but then I would want to scrape again. And I usually have to scrape a couple of times for the accurate information to come up. And once it does, you know it's good, and you can go ahead and that link could be shared on social. So this is a question that I hear all the time. I hope that's helpful. Make sure that you go in and put in all your URLs through Facebook Debugger and make sure that that information is the right information. If it's not, you now know how to go in and edit it, scrape it again to make sure it is.